Hey, and welcome to the first actual pre-recorded episode that I was talking about. These videos are going to be all set to premiere at a certain time on days when I'm going to be way too busy to do anything. I'm going to be busy for the next week or two probably, because assuming everything goes well, I'm going to be doing a small trip to mineral wells in Texas to do a small amount of digging. Sorry, changing my music. I was getting repetitive. And if that all goes well, or even if that doesn't go well, rather, a couple of days after that, I'm going to be starting a project at work for the government that I can't really talk about because it is the government, and it doesn't matter what you're doing, they don't like you talking about anything. But at roughly that same time, I'm going to be starting a small reclamation project, I guess, working together with the city of Rowlett. I'm going to be one of a group of, I think it was around 15 volunteers to help clean up and then subsequently break up what amounts to just a dilapidated concrete platform that is just kind of left over and got left abandoned after I think it was the tornado in 2016. It received a bunch of damage, and the project financiers spent, I guess, too much money trying to fix their other projects, and so this one just got abandoned, and the city has reclaimed the land and is going to be doing something with it. The parts that I'm helping with are I'm going to be helping clean up the trash, and doing a large part of I'm not going to be breaking up the concrete myself. They have a professional crew for that, but I'll be helping feed the chunks into a rock crusher while separating out any and all rebar we can to help with the what's the term? I don't remember what the term was, but we're going to be converting the gravel, the concrete into gravel via rock crushers, and tumblers, or whatever it is. The thing you put rocks in to make them shiny. Although in this case we're going to be using it to break them up as opposed to polishing stuff. And the field will be converted into one part grassland, I guess, and part of it's going to be turned into a community garden, from what I understand. But that's going to take a little while for them to set up, from what I know, because outside of just breaking up the concrete and parts, from it's not arborist because that's trees, but whoever studies grass said there seems to be some kind of contamination in the dirt that's causing grass and other plants to get sick. I guess they're just an environmental scientist at that point, if that's what they determined. I don't really know how it works. But, they're going to be... They effectively have to replace everything that's currently growing in that area with one type of bluish flower, I don't know what it's called, that acts as a nitrogen filter. They're also going to be planting a little bit of alfalfa to clean up that portion of the soil, along with I think some parts are just going to be out and out replaced. I don't know how that works, but the gravel used from the concrete is going to be used to make natural, and heavy quotations there, rock paths. The rebar, that's what it's called. The rebar is going to be melted down and turned into small term fencing, I guess, to keep whatever critters are there, to stop them from eating stuff. That combined with my work project and taking a trip relatively soon means I'm not really going to be able to do much for this YouTube video, because I'm not going to be in a position where I can even just film myself with the crushing of the rocks and stuff. But I don't want to leave this channel completely empty for what's going to amount to like probably 2 or 3 months. So this is my solution to that is, on days where I can, I'll do my normal personally recorded videos day of, and when I can't, I'll have this little stockpile of videos all pre-recorded talking about whatever I'm talking about. But thank you for listening, if anyone's even listening.